فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Such an opportunity, Allah's intizam and system. Look at the excitement, look at the anticipation of Sayyidul Awwaleen wal Akhirin, Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. One day he is on the mimbar, Sahaba in front of him. Imagine this, Sahaba looking at him, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam is looking at them. All of a sudden he sounds out an alarm. What alarm? ماذا يستقبلكم وماذا تستقبلون ماذا يستقبلكم وماذا تستقبلون ماذا يستقبلكم وماذا تستقبلون ثلاثا, 3 times. This type of expression is used when something enormous is about to occur. Umar stands up radiyallahu anhu, alarm, awahyun nazal. Ya Rasulullah, some revelation come. La, no. Aduun hadar. Ya Rasulullah, is some enemy about to attack us? La, no. Then Sahaba say, then what is it, Ya Rasulullah? He says, Ramadan has come. Ramadan has come. And in the same hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, in the first night of Ramadan, Yaghfirullahu ta'ala likulli ahli hadhihi al-qibla. Allah makes the maghfirat of every one of my ummah. Such a month, look, Allahu Akbar. The excitement, the anticipation of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. You and I, some of us may have had trepidation. Look at the excitement of my Nabi. He didn't want his ummah to waste 1 second of this month. The famous hadith of Salman Farsi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he says, خطبنا رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم في آخر يوم من شعبان فقال يا أيها الناس قد أظلكم شهر عظيم مبارك شهر فيه ليلة خير من 1000 شهر شهر جعل الله صيامه فريضة وقيام ليله تطوعا من تقرب فيه بخصلة كان كمن أدى فريضة فيما سواه ومن أدى فريضة فيه كان كمن أدى 70 فريضة فيما سواه وهو شهر المواساة إلى آخر الحديث. O humanity, O my ummah, قد أظلكم شهر عظيم مبارك. A month has come, a blessed month, an auspicious month, a great month, a month in which there is a night better than 1,000 months. One nafil you will do in this month, Allah will give you the reward of 1 farz. 1 farz you will do in this month, Allah will multiply it 70 times. He said it is the month of sympathy. It is the month to connect with the rest of the ummah. It is the month to feel the plight of the poor. He said, Man fattara sa'iman, give the fasting person something to eat at the time of iftar. Kana maghfiratan li dhunubihi wa itqa raqabatihi minan nar. Allah will forgive your sins. Allah will free you from Jahannam. So many opportunities Allah is giving. Sahaba kiram, when they hear this, laysa kulluna yajidu ma yufattiru as-sa'im ya Rasulullah. Majority of them were poor, they were needy. So they said, Ya Rasulullah, not all of us are in a position to give iftar to the fasting person. Allahu Akbar, what does my Nabi say? Yu'ti Allahu hadha thawab. Allah will give the same reward, even if you will give a sip of water or a sip of milk to a fasting person. I'm digressing. One Sahabi, Allah's Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam exhorts Sahaba kiram that spend in the way of Allah, give sadaqah in the way of Allah. He goes home at night, raises his hands. Ya Allah, your Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has told us to spend. My pockets are empty. Ya Allah, you are a witness, I have nothing. The only thing I own, Ya Allah, is my dignity and my honor. Ya Allah, I make you a witness, I give sadaqah of my dignity and my honor. Next day after Fajr, Allah's Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam makes the announcement, Manil mutasaddiq al-bariha. Manil mutasaddiq al-bariha. Who is the one that gave sadaqah last night? Everyone is silent. Then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam qualifies this. Manil mutasaddiq bi'irdihi al-bariha. Who gave sadaqah with his dignity and honor last night? The Sahabi stands up. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, Allah has accepted your sadaqah. Law arada Allah أن يعذب أمة محمد ما آتاهم Ramadan. If Allah wanted to punish the Ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah would not have given them this month of Ramadan.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان ومن دونهما جنتان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان مدهامتان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان